Hi everyone. On Tuesday, North Korea has launched a missile from the northwestern of country to the Sea of Japan. This action of North Korea has triggered the strong reaction of the United States and made the crisis on the Korean peninsula continuing escalate. Like a respond act, right on early Wednesday, the United States and South Korea conducted a ballistic missile test. South Korea said the drill was aimed at showcasing the ability to strike at the North's leadership if necessary. According to Reuters reported, right after North Korea launches missile, the United States, South Korea and Japan required a meeting of United Nations Security Council on the matter. At the United Nations, United States Ambassador Nikki Haley said the United States is prepared to use the full range of our capabilities to defend ourselves and our allies. One of our capabilities lies with our considerable military forces. We will use them, if we must, but we prefer not to have to go in that direction. This North Korea's missile test is so serious that it was considered the worst tension since the Korean War. However, in this event there are two problems make us very confusing. At first, what is exactly kind of missile which North Korea launched? Right after the missile test happened, some newspaper reported that North Korea launched an intercontinental ballistic missile. The North Korea state's media also said the missile is an intercontinental ballistic missile. However, the Sputnik News of Russia cited information from Russian early missile attack warning systems, said that the missile which North Korea launched was a medium-range ballistic missile and not an ICBM. The New York Times in the article has title, North Korea says it has successfully tested an ICBM, also cited an initial statement of the United States Pacific Command said that the weapon which North Korea has just launched was an intermediate-range missile rather than an intercontinental ballistic missile. At that time, only South Korea and Japan asserted the missile of North Korea was an ICBM. After that, the United States confirmed that North Korea's latest missile launch was indeed an intercontinental ballistic missile, according to CNBC reported. A question is, why did the U.S. change viewpoint? Does the change viewpoint of the U.S. aim to serve for an intent? If true, so what is the intent? Does the U.S. want to prepare a strong reason to use military method against North Korea? Or use this to conduct their strategic plans? The second confusing thing is why the U.S. did not shoot down North Korea's missile although they was monitoring it very carefully. Like Reuters report in an article with name, Can U.S. Defend Against North Korea Missiles? Not everyone agrees. Many people was surprised when the U.S. did not shoot down the missile of North Korea. Mentioned to this question, on July 5, the Pentagon spokesman Jeff Davis explained that because the U.S. and its allies did not consider North Korea's missile was a real threat, and specific had not evidence show that North Korea added nuclear warhead into the missile and was not sure that the missile has ability to re-entry the atmospheric or not. So they did not shoot down missile of North Korea. However, this answer is not sufficient to delete all skeptical of people. Some people has made a question about missile defense systems of the U.S. I think any systems also has weak point. In additions, may have complex in command progress to start a missile defense system, leading to lose chance to intercept the missile of North Korea. Some days before North Korea's missile test event, a warship of the U.S. was also struck by a container ship. The warship is an Aegis ship of the U.S. Navy with a lot of modern equipment, but it could not avoid a very big container ship leading to accident. This event once again proved that human is still a determinant though machines more and more modern.